Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a task in Evernote step by step. This process is very simple, and you can use it to organize your daily work and important activities. First, open Evernote and go to the Tasks section. Now click on the New Task button to create a new task. In the Enter Task box, type the name of your task. For example, I will type Finish YouTube Video. This is the title of the task. Next, move to the Description section. Here you can add more information about the task. For example, I will write edit the video and upload it today. This helps you remember what needs to be done. Now let's set a due date. You can choose today, tomorrow, or click custom to select any date you want. I will choose today. After that, you can set a reminder. You can choose in 1 hour, in 4 hours, or select custom to choose your own reminder time. I will select in 1 hour. Next, you can use the Assign to option if you want to assign this task to another person. If you are using Evernote by yourself, you can leave this option empty. Now choose the priority for your task. You can select low, medium, or high. I will choose high because this task is important. If you want to highlight this task, you can also turn on the flag option. Everything is ready now. Click the Create Task button to save your task. As you can see, the task has been created successfully and now appears in the task list. If you need to make any changes later, simply open the task and edit the title, description, due date, reminder, or priority. After you finish the task, click the checkbox to mark it as completed. If you no longer need the task, you can delete it at any time. That's how you can easily create and manage tasks in Evernote. It is a great way to stay organized, remember important deadlines, and improve your productivity. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Evernote tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.